In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on templates in Gmail. Templates are a huge time saver if you send similar emails over and over, but they're turned off by default. I'll walk you through exactly where to find the setting and how to enable it so you can start working more efficiently right away. First, open your Gmail account in a web browser on your computer. The option we need lies in the Full Settings menu, which is easiest to access on desktop. Once Gmail loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which opens your settings. Click that gear. A panel will slide out on the right showing Quick Settings. In that panel, look for the link that says See All Settings and click it. This takes you to the Full Settings page, where you'll see a row of tabs across the top. There are several categories here, but the one we want is called Advanced. Go ahead and click Advanced. On the Advanced page, you'll see a list of experimental or optional features. Look for the section labeled Templates. If Templates is currently disabled, you'll see the option to enable it. Click Enable to turn it on. Now, this next part is important. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Gmail will usually refresh after you save, and that confirms the feature has been activated. That's all it takes to turn on templates in Gmail. From this point forward, the option to use templates will be available when you compose emails, making it easy to insert common messages without rewriting them every time. A couple of quick tips in case you run into anything unexpected. If you don't see the Advanced tab or the Templates option, make sure you're using the standard Gmail interface in a desktop browser. Some work or school accounts may have certain features managed by an administrator. So if you're on a business account and templates aren't visible, your organization might have restrictions in place. Also, if the Save Changes button seems grayed out, double-check that you clicked Enable next to Templates before scrolling down. To recap, you open Gmail, click the gear in the top right, select See All Settings, go to the Advanced tab, enable Templates, and then save your changes at the bottom. Once that's done, you're ready to take advantage of templates and streamline your email workflow. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the extra time you'll save with this simple setup.